Good day everyone. For today's lesson, we'll talk about parabola opens the left. And this is the directrix, the vertical line. We have the fixed line known as directrix. Then we have the vertex is at the origin, yung nasa center sa rectangular coordinate system or Cartesian plane. Then endpoints number 1, endpoints of latus rectum. Then downward we have endpoints, another endpoints of latus rectum. Endpoint 1 and endpoint 2. This is the possible graph of opens to the left. Okay. Then we have the focus located at the center of the vertical line. We have focus. Then if we are going to connect the two endpoints, that is known as the length of latus rectum. Distance na ang pinag-usapan dito mga ka-viewers. Okay? Always remember that is known as length of latus rectum. It's a distance we have always positive. In order for you to be enlightened, let's have an example about parabola opens to the left. Okay, say for instance, you need to sketch the graph of y squared equals negative 2x. As we all know, there are 5 conditions that we need to follow. We have vertex, focus, directrix, and endpoints of latus rectum. So first and foremost, find the value of c. To find the value of c, write 4c equals, then copy nyo lang and given problem. We have y squared equals minus 2x or negative 2x. So to find c, just write 4c equals, copy lang ang number, negative 2. Then, ano ang katabi ni c? We have 4. So, divide both side by 4 in order to balance the equation. Cancel lang si 4 kasi magkapareho sila ng number. We have negative 2 divided by 4. Then, we need to get the lowest term of this fraction. So, ano yung mas maliit nila na number? We have from the numerator negative 2. So, divide both side by negative 2. Afterwards, simplify the given fraction. So, just write negative 2 divided by negative 2, that is positive 1. Then, we have 4 divided by negative 2, that is negative 2. So, ilagay nyo lang ang negative sa center of the fraction. Okay? Lagyan nyo ng negative ang center of the fraction. Understood? So, we all know that the vertex is at the origin, so write 0, 0. Afterwards, find the focus. So, focus can be written as C0. So, as we all know, RC is negative 1/2, 0. Always remember that C is always positive in terms of counting because we are talking about distance. So, when we have directrix, it can be written as negative C0. Then, negative times negative 1/2, we have 1/2. Then, copy lang sa 0. That is the value of directrix. And this time, we will find the value of endpoints of latus rectum. Absolute value of 2c. So we all know that the value of c, we have negative 1/2. So 2 times negative 1/2, that is negative 2 divided by 2. So the absolute value of negative 2 divided by 2. As we all know that negative 2 divided by 2, that is negative 1. Since we are talking about absolute value, the final answer is always positive. So we have positive 1. This time, we can now sketch the graph using these 4 conditions: vertex, focus, directrix, endpoints of latus rectum. First, let us locate the value of vertex. It can be located at the center of the rectangular coordinate system or Cartesian plane. So we have V. Next, focus, negative 1/2, 0. So negative 1/2, yung X, then 0. So that is the exact location of negative 1/2. Sundin nyo lang ang unang number. We have negative 1/2. The next, we have positive 1/2. So unang number sa X, yan nakalagay. So ilagay nyo sa X, we have negative 1/2. That is your directrix. So we all know that directrix can be written as broken line or straight line. We have the fixed line directrix. The next, our final answer for endpoints of lateral rectum, we have 1. So you need to move 1 upward from the focus. Then move downward 1 from the focus. Okay, then connect. Yung naka-asterisk, yung mga error ko yan kanina. So, huwag nyo lang i-sulat. Okay? Then, this time, we will connect the length of latus rectum. Just like that, connect the two endpoints. That is known as length of latus rectum. It means the distance between the two endpoints. Understood? Okay, that's how you are going to graph the equation of parabola opens to the left. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.